most reverend Vice and Visionary Principal Madam, respected vibrant and virtuous Vice Principal Madam, honorable colleagues and dear students. As we know that our school is celebrating communal harmony week. First of all, let me share the meaning and definition of the communal harmony. Harmony means joint, togetherness. Communal harmony means the people belonging to different religions, caste, color, culture, creed, faiths, living together with the feeling of oneness, togetherness, with love, feeling of brotherhood, and regard and respect to each other. No doubt, children, we are the country where multi-ethnic, multicultural communities reside. There are the people belonging to diverse religions, faith, cultures, languages, customs and traditions. Almost every day in one and other part of the country, a festival is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. No doubt, on the special occasions, history has witnessed that our country has displayed the communal harmony on the need of the hour, where India and Pakistan partake. Then, unfortunately, it is painful to mention that some radical powers gave a very tragic move to the country, and the country could witness tragic bloodshed, murder and tragic incidents. But in the freedom movement, in the freedom struggle, the people belonging to different caste, religion, color, tradition, custom and languages fought under the same banner for the noble cause of freedom. And they at that time forgot about their personal discrimination and differences of caste, color and creed. Many occasions on which people of the country come together for the noble cause, for patriotism and stood against the radical anti-social elements and curbed them. But unfortunately, sometimes some power-greed political parties misguide and provoke the innocent people for their selfish interest, and they lit the fuel to create differences amongst ourselves. So now it is the time, dear students, that we should foster the communal harmony among ourselves by respecting and regarding the faith, religions and traditions of others. Children, we should not forget that God created this universe. We people, we human beings created the barriers and the boundaries. We should not forget that we breathe the same air, we need the same kind of oxygen to survive, and our component of the blood are same. So how can we become different? Only by the barriers of the religion and faiths. We should foster communal harmony by spreading love, affection, brotherhood, goodwill in the society. Only then we can imagine to have an ideal country and ideal society. We should not forget that the people of the country is the country. Now we have the almost 133 crore population, where there are the people of different color and creed. But still our democracy is flourishing and developing. Once the Prime Minister and the great leader Atal Bihari Vajpayee said that communalism, communal disharmony is the great barrier and hindrance on the way of development of the country. So friend, we have to forget communal disharmony we have to develop, we have to flourish and foster communal harmony in the children and youth by spreading education. Education is the only powerful weapon which can demolish, which can crush the small and petty differences of caste, color and creed. On this happy occasion, I would like to recite the lines of great poet Rabindranath Tagore, the novel lyric, where the mind is without free, where the head held high, where the world has not broken into the narrow domestic walls, where the truth and words come from the depth of the truth. In that heaven of freedom, let my father awake my country. Children, we should like to respect and regard to other people's faith and support them. Let me recite the couplet of a poet. तुम मुझे मेरी जात मेरे नाम से न जानो, इंसा हूँ मुझे मेरे काम से पहचानो। इंसा का इंसा से रिश्ता बड़ा खास है, पर कुछ नहीं गर नहीं एहसास है। तुमने न मुझ में कुछ खास है, इंसा बने जो बंदा वो खास है। Children, we should flourish and inculcate in ourselves the feeling of brotherhood and goodwill. And the great service of the country is the service of humanity, is the service of the poor and the needy. जो नाशाद हो उसे शाद करना, दुनिया की पूजा, प्रेयर और इबादत यही है, जो बर्बाद हो उसे आबाद करना। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।